is this? Hey, is this Spunky? With a GoPro? Riding on her own? How odd.
Hey there, interwebs, we're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we're either riding our dirt bikes on the back roads of the Cariboo region of British Columbia, camping at the local area rec sites, or we're doing longer distance adventure motorcycling on our Honda NX500s. Whichever we do, along the way we talk about the bikes, the equipment we use, and the experience. We'd love to have you along for the ride, so jump on the back of the bikes and let's go.
The speed limit over the bridge is 30 kilometers an hour because there's construction right now. So I am doing a firm 30K. They're not doing 30. And they're not doing 30. And they're not doing 30. And they're really not doing 30. And they're not doing 30. If I were the police, I'd be sitting at the other end of it, getting all these people not doing 30. But I'm not the police, so let's listen to some music instead.
Show
Made it. All by myself, just spunky riding alone because Jamie's off hanging out with puppies. Anyways, I'm here to meet my friend Jane for lunch. Had a great ride. Gonna have a good lunch and then another great ride on the way home. Bye. Look, it's my friend Jane. We're having lunch at Romer's. Her and I. Without Jamie. Jamie disappeared for this one. Anyways, bye. Are you still here? It's over. Go home.